Okay, so I am going to take you through the triple beam balance practice lab. We are going to use the OHAUS website. So we opened this right from Canvas. Okay, it was called Triple Beam Balance Practice Lab, and then you clicked for a copy of it. And this is going to be the practice grade and what you're going to do. And actually, the website is on Canvas, the OHAUS website. It's already in there somewhere, but it's also in the document. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up in the OHAUS website. This is the company that makes the triple beam balance. Okay. And so what we're going to do is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go through the tutorial. The use tutorial, you're going to go through that before moving on. All right. So that's just as simple as right underneath the triple beam, you're going to say use tutorial. You're going to click on that. And then basically you just kind of follow it through and it's going to tell you things. So you have to click the next arrow to keep going. And it might have you drag some stuff around. So just click and drag the beaker to remove it. So it's going to take you through like zeroing the balance, which is actually there's a lab question about that. And you know how to actually get the mass and add up everything and all that. So step one here is to actually go through this whole tutorial. Okay. When you are completed with that, you are then going to click practice weighing. All right, and then it's going to generate so I'm going to click practice weighing. And you have to hit next, by the way. And what it has here is the 3 beams, and you're going to click new unknown. And you are going to basically type in your answer. All right, so you're going to do 5 of these, and you're going to take a screenshot, and you're going to put it into the document. So 300 is the middle beam, 50 is the back beam. I have 5 point, here's the 0.5 is a little longer here, 0.6, 0.7. So I'm going to type that in here, 355.7 grams. And then you hit check mass. Now, this website is super picky. 355.7 grams is good enough for Mrs. Barber and Mr. Monahan, but they're like being super duper picky and saying it was 355.74. Okay. If it is noticeably between the tenths markings, you're able to go to the nearest hundredth. That's totally fine. So if it was like obviously that to me, and you know, on your Chromebook, it might be a little small. Please make sure you enlarge the screen if you can't see it. Okay. But this is good enough for me. So we're just practicing. So if you are noticing in the data table on your document, the first column is what you've just done. Whatever you've typed in. The actual is what the website tells you. And then I do want you to take a screenshot of the triple beam. So you just take a screenshot of just this little picture right here, or even just you can do the smaller version if it fits. And then you're going to put it in your document. So you need to do that 5 times. And again, you just click new unknown. This is automatically going to generate an unlimited amount of practice problems for you. Okay, so if you get it wrong, here's the thing. If you get it wrong, I don't want you to screenshot that one. I want you to screenshot 5 that you're actually getting correct or really, really close. Remember, it's not going to be 100% accurate. But if you're like way off, just click new unknown and do another one. Okay, so you're going to get 5 total screenshots. This is super easy, guys. And then you're going to answer these 3 questions here in your own words. Define mass. What is the total mass that the triple beam balance can measure? We've mentioned that already. And then the purpose of the zero adjustment knob. And again, that's really discussed in the tutorial that you're going to do before you go into the mass readings. So that's basically it. This is a pretty quick and easy assignment. We need 5 accurate where you got them basically right. You're putting in 5 screenshots, 3 questions, and then you're going to submit that on Canvas when you are complete. Okay.